Hi Earthlings, good evening, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a haul of what I got from Al-Shaheen. We came from the store Al-Shaheen and I'm gonna do a hauling tonight, so bear with me. I will show you their product. So they have also beauty cosmetics and I bought this one. They have also very cheap items. Dr. Rachel Pearl Collagen Elastic Serum, and I got also, you know, I'm so addicted with candles. As you can see here, those are all my candles, and I bought a new one, home fragrance, The Most Happiness. I like this smell, so refreshing. And I also got they also have a home center department where you can buy cheap mugs and all kitchenwares, so it's beautiful. I like the color also. I got 2 of them and 2 of this style, bigger. This is perfect for coffee. If you are here in Qatar, they have lots of branches. They have in the old airport. And by the way, I bought this one as well. This is for my candle. You can use it for the kitchen also. You can put cookies in here, but they are made of bamboo, or I am made of, yeah, bamboo, it says. So I got this one, and I also got this one for here, for this table here, this table. Nice, very nice. I got this wooden ladle, lovely. And I got a non-sticky pan. And another, this one. This is for the sandwich, or any, you can use it anyway, whatever. It's very cheap, it's just 5 riyals, but it has a nice quality. You cannot really tell that it's just 5 riyals, you know what I mean? And this one is 6 riyals only, and it's wood, nice quality woods. I got lots of like this kind from IKEA. I have it in the kitchen, and I bought this one for the sandwich, which is 25 riyals only. It has a very nice quality knife for sandwich, and it can be for steak also. Very sharp. And yeah, that's all. I got something from the Wooden Bakery. I will show you also. Hold on one second. And I got this from Wooden Bakery. Apple cider vinegar. Very organic one. I have kubus food. This is very popular here in the Middle East. I love these pickles. Baby cucumber. You see that, guys? Oh, I don't have the proper light here. But anyway, I got this black mask. This is very nice. I think this is exclusive here in Arab or Middle East because it fits on the woman's abaya, which is color black. I got these almonds, black chocolate almonds, but when I opened it, it just goes everywhere, so I just put it here. I didn't notice it has a hole in here, so everything just goes everywhere in the car. So, but I still got them here. Black chocolate almond flavor. Alright, so that's all for this haul, and thank you for watching. I hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye.